welcome back to my channel. My name is Drishti and I make a lot of videos on eggless baking and cake decoration and stuff. And also we are very active on Instagram as well. If you want to go ahead and check out our reels and everything, we do a lot of reels. We do a lot of tips and tricks and everything basically about baking. So if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel because we do a lot of beautiful videos. I'm going to bash my own creations, the old creations that I've done, and I think I've learned from those mistakes, and I think I want to share those with you so you don't make the same mistakes and also laugh at my own mistakes. So I think let's just dive right into it and see what mistakes I've made in the past and laugh at them. So the first cake here is this. I think I remember it was a half kg. Basically I used to take a lot of half kg cake orders before, and this was a half kg red velvet cake which had a lot of rosettes, which is ganache rosettes. I really love red velvet with chocolate ganache. One teaching from this would be, go ahead and try a red velvet cake with chocolate ganache. You will thank me for sure. It's delicious. It's delicious. It's amazing, and I'm telling you, it's one of a kind combination. You'll definitely love it. So that is one good thing about this picture. Second is, you can see there's almost a minimal amount of sponge. There's स्पॉन्ज मुझे नज़र ही नहीं आ रहा है एक्चुअली, एंड गनाश बहुत ज़्यादा है. तो आई थिंक आपको गनाश और केक का जो रेशियो रहता है, मतलब आइसिंग और केक का जो रेशियो रहता है, यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट द केक हैज़ टू बी लिटिल मोर मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स. द क्लाइंट ऑल्सो, यू शुड आस्क द क्लाइंट्स कि आपको कौन सा रेशियो ज़्यादा चाहिए, आइसिंग का कि केक का, या मीडियम चाहिए, मतलब बैलेंस्ड आउट चाहिए. मोस्टली ऑब्वियसली मेनी पीपल ऑप्ट फॉर मोर केक, बट ऑल्सो रिमेंबर इफ यू आर गिविंग अ हाफ kg केक, you need to make the client understand what kind of flavors are okay to give. For example, right now what I've started doing is I give only chocolate truffle or vanilla with whipped cream, basically only one icing, only one icing flavor with only one cake sponge flavor. So it will be like 2 sponge layers and बीच का एक आइसिंग का लेयर एंड टॉप कवर. बस वो अगर आपको हाफ kg में देना है तो आप वैसा कुछ फ्लेवर दे सकते हो. बट फिलिंग वाले जो केक्स होते हैं, जैसे न्यूटेला हो गया, फेरो रोशो हो गया, एनी नट वाला केक हो गया, या फ्रूट्स वाले केक हो गए, फ्रूट फिलिंग वाले केक हो गए, ये सारे के सारे मिनिमम 1 किलो ही देना. बिकॉज व्हाट हैपन्स इज, हम होम बेकर्स का हमेशा आधा किलो 300 ग्राम ऊपर ही जाता है. सो आई स्टार्टेड मेकिंग अ पॉइंट कि मेरा भले ही 300-200-300 ग्राम ऊपर जाता है 1 किलो देने के टाइम पे भी, मेरा ऑलमोस्ट एवरी ऑर्डर पे 100-200-300-400 ग्राम ऊपर जाता ही है. बट एटलीस्ट मैं वो हाफ kg के इसमें थोड़ा ये कर देती हूँ कि हाफ kg देना है तो खाली यही फ्लेवर देने हैं जिसमें ज़्यादा फिलिंग वगैरह नहीं होता है. सो मेक श्योर ऑल दीज थिंग्स यू रिमेंबर, ठीक है. So this cake always is going to tell you that you need to make sponge का amount ज़्यादा. Basically sponge ratio to your icing ratio has to be more, or at least equal, not icing ज़्यादा नहीं होना चाहिए, ठीक है. Now this cake, the second cake is, it has a fondant topper. Now there are 2 things that I would like to point out which I really don't like about it. One is the cake itself is a dark brown color cake, and the bike on it is a very black color, like it's a black color bike. So I feel it's looking off. The color is not going well with it. If you go to see, it's not like contrast कुछ नहीं है, तो उसमें ऐसा लग रहा है बाइक दिख ही नहीं रही है. एंड बाइक के नीचे एक टूथपिक मुझे नज़र आ रही है, बिकॉज टू अटैच द बाइक और whatever we use stick or toothpick whatever. So वो नज़र आ रहा है, and it's looking really bad. And the background of the picture you can see it's very clumsy. So that looks really bad. So there are 3 things you need to remember. One is either I could have changed the bike color, or I could have चेंज द गनाश नहीं डाल के क्रीम डाल के, या मैं उसके गनाश के ऊपर छोटा सा एक फॉन्डेंट का एक पतला सा लेयर डाल के उसके ऊपर बाइक रखती तो थोड़ा डिफरेंस मालूम पड़ता. या सो दैट वाज वन, एंड या सो दैट यू नीड टू रिमेंबर दीज 3 थिंग्स. एंड टूथपिक नहीं दिखना चाहिए, बहुत गंदा लग रहा है. टॉपर जब आप अटैच करते हो, मेक श्योर द टूथपिक्स आर नॉट सीन, इट लुक्स रियली शैबी. नाउ द थर्ड केक, I don't like the way I've written the message. So whenever you're writing happy anniversary or happy birthday, there's no much space. So वो जो hyphen डाल के हम नीचे कंटिन्यू करते हैं, वो बहुत ख़राब लगता है. Avoid doing that कि please do not write 2 लाइन्स में anniversary. एक जगह पे लिखो, या जो टॉपर्स आते हैं छोटे छोटे हैप्पी एनिवर्सरी के, हैप्पी बर्थडे के, वो डालो, या बोर्ड पे प्रॉपर लिखो. जैसे मैंने यहाँ पे बोर्ड पे फ्रॉम और मुस्कान लिखा है, तो बड़ा बोर्ड लेके उस पर मैं हैप्पी एनिवर्सरी, like I could have fit it in well if I was doing it now. तो या तो fondant पे लिखो जो भी, but don't do this. Okay, next cake is a complete fondant cake. Again, इसमें toothpick नज़र आ रहा है under the guitar. I don't really like that, and I don't like my toppers, but those toppers are only going to happen once you start practicing. Take few classes if you want from online. आजकल बहुत सारे classes हैं figurines के लिए and all that. If you want, go ahead and do that. I'm also taking fondant. Like I also have a fondant class if you want to join that class. But know your medium properly, practice a lot and work on it. I wouldn't want to say anything negative against this because this is what I've done after not learning anything at all. I've never learned much for fondant, but this was, I think, before I had gone for a figurine class. So I think, yeah, this is you need to learn stuff before doing it. But ठीक है, like practice के जैसे ही हो गया ये भी, तो you need to just understand your medium properly, work on practice on it, and it'll be fine. But still, knowing the medium and knowing how I know that much that I'm scared before a figurine cake. Even till date, I'm very scared before a figurine cake has to go out. So knowing that, I've literally actually made a bike stand on the cake. I have made a girl sit on the bike, and I made a guy stand on the cake with a guitar. So hats off to me for doing that because it's a very big task for a beginner. This is 2015 का है, तो तभी मैंने कुछ इस बारे में क्लासेस नहीं ली थी इतनी ज़्यादा. खाली कपकेक क्लास I remember I had taken for fondant, but that didn't have much about figurines. Much क्या figurines का कुछ था ही नहीं. So I think I am pretty proud of myself for this, and yeah, I think it's okay. You will learn on the way, so don't worry about that. So next is a buttercream rosette cake. And I don't know why I had a very bad habit of putting my cake diagonal. Okay, so you can see how in this picture also I have written Hitu or Hitu, whatever it is, diagonally on the corner. That looks really bad, and I don't know why I had a very bad habit for a few years in the beginning of my business, that I used to write names at the diagonal, in the diagonal way. I don't know, maybe that was my thing, but it looks really weird to me now. And buttercream rosettes इतने सारे, and मैं American buttercream use करती हूँ. So I don't think it would have tasted really good for the person who had ordered this cake. But thank you for keeping on ordering from me and trusting my work. And I'm sure मैं better हुई हूँ अपने काम में, and मैं भी buttercream cakes नहीं देती हूँ because I know buttercream gets too sweet and too grainy for some people. They don't like buttercream at all. But again, avoid giving such heavy icing cakes with buttercream or fondant because these things then become too sweet for a person to eat and they don't enjoy the cake much. So yeah, that is one thing. But in case फिर भी ज़बरदस्ती देना ही है कि fondant cake किसी को चाहिए या buttercream cake किसी को चाहिए, तो अंदर का flavor आप recommend करो कि आप dark chocolate दोगे, तो वो थोड़ा balance out हो जाता है sweetness and chocolate की वजह से. ठीक है? So try and do that. Next is a bag cake which I have done in again 2015, and I'm completely proud of this cake. This cake is something that I have achieved without any help and I really love it. मैंने इसी केक के लिए ना, जो मैंने अभी पिछले केक में बनाया था, जो राउंड कटर को मैंने क्या किया था, थोड़ा सा दबा दिया था फॉर द रॉकी इफेक्ट. मैंने बैरल केक के बोर्ड पे मैंने वो यूज़ किया हुआ है. दैट वाज एक्चुअली जो मैंने वो कटर किया था, मैंने इस बैग के लिए उस राउंड कटर को मैंने थोड़ा पचका दिया था. So I used it for this indentation on the bag. You can see it. I don't know if वीडियो में पिक्चर में क्लियरली नज़र आएगा, बट आपको दिख रहा होगा कि उसमें वो डिज़ाइन, बैग पे डिज़ाइन देने के लिए कैसे वो मैंने यूज़ किया है. एंड आई फील इट्स वेरी फॉर अ बिगनर. In 2014 I started and 2015 में for a beginner, not even एक साल भी नहीं हुआ था. I feel this cake is amazing and I'm very proud of this cake, extremely proud of this cake. But one more thing I want to tell you, actually two more things I want to tell you is, one is you need to keep practicing very hard. You have to keep practicing how much ever आपका investment समझ के practice करो, but do it. Practice on all your mediums that you want to work on. And secondly, do not get scared of challenges. Do not get scared of trying new things. Until unless you don't try something, you will not understand कि आप कहाँ stand करते हो. तो you have to try new things. You have to challenge yourself every time. I feel आज 7 साल के बाद भी I feel I'm very immature in a few cakes, like even the barrel cake. I like it, I love it in fact, but I feel the shape could have been a little better. So I feel that हम लोग ना हर दिन कुछ नया सीखते हैं, तो आपको डेफिनेटली प्रैक्टिस करते रहना चाहिए एंड कुछ ना कुछ न्यू रोज़ ट्राई करना चाहिए. सो ये 2 चीज़ें प्लीज़ रिमेंबर फ्रॉम दिस केक. ठीक है. ओके, सो द नेक्स्ट इज वेयर आई हैव गिवन 6 डिफरेंट फ्लेवर्स ऑफ cupcake. I feel you should not do that. Always make sure that you're telling the client that you can give only 1 flavor for 6 cupcakes, because एक रेसिपी में से आप, I don't think it's right to give out so many flavors in one box, because being home bakers, we don't have anything ready. So for each flavor, literally I remember I had made different sponge for this, and like I don't know why I did that, but at that time starting में दिमाग नहीं चलता है कि client को क्या बोलना है, and maybe we also are somewhere scared कि client को मना करेंगे तो वो order नहीं देंगे या जो भी. तो आपको अपना ग्राउंड पहले से ही पकड़ना है and always tell them that no, we can only give 1 flavor in 6 cupcakes, or if minimum you're giving 12 cupcakes, then do 2 flavors maximum. So I think you should do all these things for sure from the beginning for your business. Next is jar cake, and you can see I've used plastic spoon, and the ribbon also that I put is really weird, like it generally goes on bouquets, this kind of flower and ribbon. So avoid using this kind of decoration. I feel I don't personally like it. I like personal the satin, like proper kapde ka ribbon looks nice. And the plastic chammach, please avoid giving plastic chammach. Remember, you get a lot of wooden spoons. It looks nice and very classy. Please give wooden spoons. Nowadays, मतलब उसके बाद से मैंने हमेशा wooden spoons ही दिए. But this was one time when I gave plastic spoons because I had forgotten to buy wooden spoons. So please remember to do this. And yeah, so this is one thing you need to remember from jar cakes. So there are 2 more things I would love to share with you, which my family, 2 of my family members from Instagram had shared with me. One is where, so when you keep a cake board on a turntable, you for it not to move, what you can do is, instead of buying any textured mat or anything, if you don't want to spend on that, what you can do is just take a sellotape, 2-3 sellotape छोटी-छोटी pieces लगा दो नीचे board के नीचे, and turntable पे उसको रख के फिर उसको आप use करोगे तो बिल्कुल नहीं हिलेगा. So that is one thing that you can do. Secondly, पिनाटा केक जब आप बनाते हो, तो मैंने जब आपको डस्टिंग दिखाई थी ऊपर से, वो डस्टिंग वैसे नहीं करके आप डायरेक्टली गोल्ड डस्ट को विद अ ब्रश जस्ट डस्ट इट इनसाइड द पिनाटा मोल्ड. सो व्हाट आई डू इज, वो सेम वीडियो मैंने इंस्टाग्राम पे डाला हुआ है, वहाँ जाके चेक कर सकते हो. उसको जस्ट आपको डस्ट करना है पिनाटा शेल मोल्ड को, एंड देन पुट द चॉकलेट का 1 लेयर इनसाइड, देन अगेन वो कोट करके कीप इट इनसाइड द फ्रीजर. सेम प्रोसीजर, फ्रीज 5 मिनट फ्रीजर में रखना है, वो प्रोसीजर सेम है. उसके पहले बस जो कोटिंग करनी है वो आपको लास्ट में नहीं करनी है, आपको फर्स्ट करनी है. मोल्ड को पहले कोट करना है गोल्डन डस्ट से विदाउट एनी लिक्विड एडिंग. ठीक है, खाली डस्ट एंड ब्रश से आपको बस डस्टिंग करनी है अंदर. ओके, एंड एड द चॉकलेट फर्स्ट लेयर, पुट इट इन द फ्रीजर फॉर 5 minutes, रिमूव इट, डू द सेकेंड लेयर सिमिलर जैसे हम चॉकलेट का सेकेंड लेयर करते हैं, अगेन फ्रीजर 5 minutes एंड रिमूव इट, and then peel it off. So that's how it's done. If you are confused about it, go on my Instagram, check it out. It's a very nice way of doing the shell without wasting any golden dust, and I really love the idea. So thanks to my Insta fam who's always been supporting me and giving me new ideas, and also making me learn new things. So what happens on Instagram is I also learn a lot of things from everyone there, and people who are there are also learning everything that I showed daily. Like हम लोग कुछ ना कुछ करते रहते हैं, तो बहुत कुछ हम एक दूसरे को सिखाते रहते हैं. So our family is touch wood growing, and I'm very happy about it. So go ahead and check out my Insta page. I'll put the link in the description box below, and यहाँ पे अपना नाम भी डाल दूँगी, आप जाके चेक कर सकते हो. अभी का भी जाके चेक करो and follow me there. I do a lot of stuff. We enjoy a lot over there because I put reels every day, and I'm doing a lot of mehnat. So I think you'll like it. Also we can have a nice chit chat session also. Sometimes I come live just for no reason, so it's fun. I'll see you all soon. Thank you so much for watching. This part 2 was really requested for, and I really loved it. Thank you guys for requesting so much for this video. I really enjoyed making it. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you've subscribed, and अगर नहीं किया तो अभी जाके subscribe करो, and then जाके Instagram पे follow करो, and I'll see you all really soon. Bye.